Hi, my name is Gloria Schur, and I'm an independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and I'm here today to show you this wonderful National Stamping Month Card Creativity Package special that Close to My Heart has put out starting September 1st, and it goes through October 31st or while supplies last. Now, it's very chock full of wonderful things. So you can see, I'm going to show you the upper half of it. That's the pictures of some of the cards you can make. I'll show you different ones too. And then this is actually showing the product bundle on the bottom here, which is all the items that they have, except for this. The card kit actually includes more items. It includes 5 sheets of the white cardstock, white daisy, and 2 of the black, 1 of the green, 12 cards and envelopes, and then the product, all the products, and sparkles. You can't see them, but they're there. Little sparkles. So that's what the card making kit shows or includes. And then, so there's the picture, closer picture of it. So you get all the stencils, you get all the background stamps, you get all the Stampin' Thin Cuts, you get all the sentiments. Everything that goes with this comes in the card making kit. And that's actually your best price for the amount for everything you're getting at one time. So what they include is, this is Floating By to Say Hi, Stampin' Thin Cuts, and it has a stencil with the clouds. It also has a background die with the clouds. So that's the first one that comes with it. And you can buy these individually if you only like certain ones. This one's the Dragonfly Wishes, and it's Stampin' Thin Cuts. It also comes with, you can get it with the stencils or separately. That one's can be done separately, or you can get it with the stencils, which actually go over top of the 3 dragonflies, so you can color them in easily. And the background is the swirly background on this one. And then the next one is a set with all kinds of sentiments that and flowers and stuff. So this one's called Hello Fabulous, and you'll see a card I made with some of this. And this is the stencil that goes over this background die, and I'll show you that because I've used that one as well. And then this is the sentiments that come with it. There's 16 total, and they have some for vertical and horizontal both. So you can see that they've got 16 of them, and I've used quite a few of them. I used them in my last card kit also, if you watch that video for the Backyard Bliss. And then here's a picture of the cards, how they made them, but this is just a guideline to give you an idea of how to create these cards. And I use this as a guide, but I also do make some of them the same or close to the same, but I'm a person who likes to create whatever comes to me. And this is, what they do is there's 6 cards, so they give you the cutout instructions for 12 cards, so that's 2 of each card, and those are all here. And then it goes in from that, so it shows you everything that you need to cut out specifically and what you need to stamp, and then it shows you the cards. So the cards that you make are all with instructions. So the first one is the first card. I made 2 similar to that, but they're not that card exactly. So here's mine, and I colored the background with 2 colors of Distress Oxide inks. Actually, it was the leftover of these other cards is how I ended up making this one. The Distress Oxides that we used in this one, I used what was left on the brush to make another page, and then I ended up cutting it out for clouds and making these cute little mice on there. So I have a little male mice and a little female mice, and it's Floating By to Say Hi. And then inside I used the sentiments that they show you, sending you happy vibes. That's my favorite probably of all of them. This one's similar to the first one. This is the first one I made actually. This is actually the little hedgehog. I always forget what he's called. And I used a cloud background again. I used Distress Oxide inks, and then I used this is from the Dragonfly Stampin' Thin Cuts, Wishing You a Wonderful Birthday. And then the inside, it says it's time to celebrate with cake, lots of cake. That is also in the sentiments that come with the kit. And then the card number 3, I did similar to what they showed, except for I used thank you because the sentiment went too far into the photo, the image. I do not like covering my images. That's one of my things I don't do. So I had to make it smaller, and the thank you came from one of those kits. Thanks so much for being there. It means the world to know you care. That is one of the sentiments that came with it for the horizontal cards. Then the next card I made was Thinking of You, and this is similar to theirs. I just did, they did white backgrounds. I did Distress Oxide inks, and I colored my flowers different colors. That's the difference between that one. Just a little hay to brighten your day. That's the card, and that was this is the next card. There's two of them I didn't make, but I did my own thing with ones I did. Okay, this is Hello Fabulous, and on theirs you see where you use the stencil to color in these spots here on that die, which really made it nice and fun and easy. And Hello Fabulous came from one of the Stampin' Thin Cuts that's on this set, and then the hearts did too. I made a pink and blue heart based with the Distress Oxide ink so it would match the card. I didn't want to use a black one, black hearts. And then inside you've got wishing you a day that is wonderful as you are. And I apologize for the lighting. I don't have any place in my house that the light comes in. And I've got 3 lamps on right now and 2 behind me, and it's still not working very well. So your instructions do show you everything you need. Like I said, you can see there's a card that I did not do with the bird. I will eventually. And those are the 2 I did. One, but you see how that big sentiment covers up part of the image, and I didn't like that part. So I changed the sentiment. And then there's the one that I used that I put color behind instead of white. And then we've got the Fabulous, Hello Fabulous one. That one I did exactly like they said, except for the 2 hearts. I think that's the only thing I changed. And then the last card that I didn't make, which I do have everything stamped and cut out and ready to go. I just haven't had time to make it. So this is, again, a special for National Stamping Month, and it's for the month of September and October, or while supplies last. Again, you can buy these things individually, the stamps, the thin cuts, and there's all kinds of packages for them, and I will give you the link below so that you can see what all the choices you have for this set. And I thank you, and you have a fabulous day. Bye.